How to fix monitor turning off when playing games. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check for overheating. Overheating graphics cards can cause safety mechanisms to trigger, turning off the monitor to prevent damage. Graphics drivers enable your operating system to communicate with the graphics card. Updating them ensures the smooth exchange of information, reducing the chances of your monitor turning off. Restart your computer again after the installation is complete. Faulty cables can cause intermittent connection issues, leading to the monitor turning off.